Hello again, Pietro here. So I got a package from Helen, and it's an interesting package because it's so light. Let's take a look inside. I already know what it is because I got one of these about a month ago, and then they sent me another one. This is the 5th box from Circul. Now their website is unique. It's circlesense.com. There's another company out there that makes products for senior citizens, and that's like the Circle, but this is the Circul Ring. And inside we have, this should be my replacement blue one, the smaller one. Yes! Okay, it's not blue, it's silver, which, I don't mind. Maybe they don't make the blue one anymore. And I actually just charged mine, and I charged it for about 2 hours, and it still did not connect. And this ground is wet, and now my pants are gonna get dirty. So this is what the blue one looks like. It's almost a blue onyx. It's gorgeous. And this is what the silver one looks like. So now we'll take this one apart. So all I have to do is place this in the case. It fits nicely like that. And then I charge it for a hot minute, and then we can sync it to my account and test it further. So thank you, Circul, for sending me my 5th ring. And actually it's just my 2nd replacement, but they made a mistake and sent me 2 of the same size. And because they like my videos, they let me keep it. So I bought 1 ring, got another one for free, and then got a replacement. But in actuality, I bought 1 and got 4. So 1 for 5, and yes, Malacqua, knife safety always. But I actually have a test coming out where I wore this on not my finger. I wore it on my pinky toe? No, my my index toe. And the data is quite interesting. So many thanks to Circul for not sponsoring the video, but for being honest and following through with their Kickstarter campaign. And we will have more about this later. Right now I just need to charge it for probably a good half an hour, and then I can shrink it. But I have another unboxing that I'm going to do. So more about this ring later. I like Circul. The app needs some work. I'll get to that and we'll talk about it. So I'm going to unbox a folding phone. So you know what to do if you want to watch that. See you later. Bye. Cut. Where's the off button? Hello, off. Hello again, Pietro here. And before I can film the unboxing, a shout out to CLIQ, because they make a chair that you can just set up in, I don't know, I think it's count 1001, 1002, 1003. Is that 5 seconds? Oh yeah. And there you go. It's an awesome chair, and it disassembles just as fast enough. So we have a lovely box from my friends over at Motorola. They gladly took my monies, and we're gonna take a look at this folding phone. Hello, Moto. We're outside, also testing the DJI microphones. Inside the box, we have inflatables. We have this thing, the adjustable crossbody case. And it's orange. You know how I like orange. Now, I'm not one to wear over-the-shoulder holder. I almost said something else. But I do like cases, and Poetic is gonna give me one of theirs because I've been working with them forever. So this is the packaging, very nice. Plastic-free packaging, it's all sealed and whatnot. We're gonna make a small incision. Another small incision. Then we open. Ah! It's another box. Plastic-free, recyclable soy ink. I don't know what soy ink means, but it sounds tasty. Do not remove pre-installed screen protector as it will damage the display. Same as Samsung. So in here, I'm guessing we have a cable maybe? Yay! Is it braided? No, it's not. Moto Razr, README, SIM pin injector, and a black boring cable. The cable should be orange. The cable should be the color of the case. I mean, of the phone, and it's not. And it's not braided, but that's okay. There it is, the Razr. Now I tried a Razr a couple years ago, and I was really disappointed because it kept overheating. So we have a paper, I'm not reusing that. Oh, that's nice. Look at that, love it. Oh, and it folds really flat. How do you like them apples, Samsung? So we have the power button right there. I wonder if it's gonna say, hello, Moto. That would be awesome if it did. And then that's it. Doesn't look like they sent me stickers. Powered by Android, still booting up. It's powered by ThinkShield, Razr, and then that has it on the outer screen. There we go. Hello, Moto. Oh, that's sexy. We're gonna do English, stat. And it has that fun little animation. Okay, outdoor screen will be nice. No, I don't wanna set up, do I wanna connect to Wi-Fi? Do I? Do I really wanna connect to Wi-Fi? I must say this CLIQ chair is so comfy. Yeah, we'll do that. Getting your phone ready. I'm excited. Okay, optimized battery yet? Yes. About storage, accept and continue. Sure. So that's one plus. That makes up for not sending braided cables and not sending color coordinated cables. I know the cost would augment, but I still, I really liking this. We got the speaker ports on the bottom, microphone. There's the SIM card. I cannot believe how flat that is. Now, do you think I should compare this to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5? Pithy comments. Type those down below. Getting my phone ready. This may take a few hot minutes. Some device information that is needed for setup will be sent to Google, your carrier, and their partners. Thank you. Huh. All right. Well, guess while we're waiting for this to set up, we can check out the case. The crossbody case. Because as much as we all like naked phones, having a naked phone in 2025 is precarious. Dangerous at best. Okay. Not plastic free. Protective cover. Huh, interesting. Kind of a... Alright. So just slap that on there like so. Put that on like so. Oh, that's kind of... What do you think about that? It's alright. So you get a little bulge. Some people don't mind the bulge. And then this will attach to the... Yeah, that's kind of... I almost want to just take my knife and cut off the little handle. I'll see what poetic designs for this one. Wow, this is taking a hot minute. Okay, I'll come back. All right, hello, audio check, noise cancellation check, lighting check.